Hey everyone, this is Andy Walker,
And this is Jenny Keene.
And Brandon Hugert.
and we're going to be looking at Rule of Five. It's a tool that our teammate Kimberly Gubser helped to bring to our attention for helping students with learning disabilities and other students um, express linear and quadratic equations through five different representations. We hope that it's helpful. We're going to look at a couple of examples here now. The first one is a basic equation, y equals x plus 2. As you can see, it's got a graph, a table, the equation itself, and a picture, which can represent the equation. The picture, as you can see, is triangles, where the number of triangles that you would add would be x, and the number of sides, or the perimeter of the triangles, would be y. And in each case, you add another triangle, and it's that number plus 2.
Yeah, so this is a quadratic equation, and you can see again at the top here on the left you have the graph followed by the table, various ways to represent the equation in the third box. And in the fourth box, these would be drawn with toothpicks, and they are a way to geometrically visualize the equation. And then the fifth box would be a word problem that could also be represented by the equation.
The third style of Rule of Five is using dice. Again, we're showing the chart and the graph, as well as the rules that are used for solving the equation. And at the bottom, you'll see there are dice that are drawn and that are used to show the various sides. One die would have 6 sides, two together have 10 sides. And at the bottom, again, there's a written explanation or a word problem that can be used.
The last one looks at pentagons, and this is, again, a relatively simple level linear equation where you have the table to represent it. And if you look at the rule number 4, the picture of the pentagons, each time you add a pentagon, you end up adding 2 sides, well, times 3. As you can see, there's 3 sides plus the 2 sides that are taken up. So one of the important things is this fifth rule, the explanation or story. You have to be creative, and this one's a good example. Some key components that we looked at provides a lot of points of entry for different students with different skills. Works for multiple grade levels. It's great for an interactive notebook, and you can see.